Hello. So I finally got my little cup, a two-piece 3D laser printed cup with scalloped edges. You can do an open cup pour either way. But today we're going to be doing a flower. So we're going to find the center. As best as we can. Start with a little pearl white. Pink parfait. Quinacridone rose. I forgot the pearl. Pearl white. This is red oxide with quinacridone rose. Spray my paper towel, and I discovered that it just barely needs to be down, just barely. I found out that the paper towel needs to be soft more than anything, and it's smaller than the actual canvas here. So I'm just going to have to work with it. But yes, I found out that a good quality, soft napkin or paper towel is best. And it doesn't have to be super wet. Matter of fact, the wet is an option. The wet is just to make it just a tiny bit softer. And you don't want to push, you just want to touch, just to make sure that your paper towel is actually touching your flower. Okay. And you want to pick it up as neatly as possible. Take your time. See right now that a bigger one for the canvas is easier. Ooh, I see lacing. Crap. I don't know what happened here. I spent time to make sure that my paints were proper. Let's just wait a second. Maybe I should